Tackling climate change is the most important challenge of our time. At KONE, we have a key role in making urbanization and people flow in and between buildings more sustainable. With our climate pledge, we commit to strong climate actions and want to lead the way in our industry, together with our customers, partners, and suppliers. Our climate pledge means that we commit to reducing greenhouse gas emissions from our own operations, products, and value chain. Our climate pledge targets are in line with limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, and they're validated against the latest climate science by the Science Based Targets Initiative, acclaimed independent global partnership for climate action. Let's have a closer look at our greenhouse gas emissions reduction targets. We convert all emissions into carbon dioxide equivalents, CO2e, in order to efficiently measure and report on our carbon footprint. In our own operations, we target to halve our Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 2030 compared to 2018 level. Scope 1 refers to direct emissions coming from, for example, our vehicle fleet, and Scope 2 includes indirect emissions, such as purchased electricity for our facilities. As main actions to reach the 50% reduction target, we will move to low-carbon emissions vehicle fleet and purchase only renewable electricity in our facilities. Our primary focus is on reducing our emissions. To reach carbon neutrality in our operations, we compensate the remaining emissions by supporting recognized and certified carbon offsetting projects. Our own operations will be carbon neutral by 2030, and our manufacturing units already by 2024. The majority of our CO2 equivalent emissions come from our products and value chain. These Scope 3 emissions come from 15 different sources, including suppliers' manufacturing, lifetime energy consumption, logistics, waste, commuting, and business travel. While we are working on reducing all our Scope 3 emissions, in our climate pledge we focus on the 2 emission categories that have the biggest climate impact: used materials and lifetime energy consumption. Our target is to reduce these emissions by 40% per ordered product by 2030 compared to 2018 level. To reach these targets, we continuously work with our suppliers to select the most environmentally sustainable materials, use eco-design principles in our product development, and continue further improving our already energy-efficient offering. We collaborate with leading companies and research communities to design and innovate for a long product lifetime and for circular use of materials and components. We continuously develop our expertise in environment and sustainability. We are committed to making a difference for the urban future. This is our climate pledge: 40% reduction of CO2 equivalent emissions per ordered product, 50% reduction of CO2 equivalent emissions from our own operations, carbon neutral manufacturing by 2024, and carbon neutral operations by 2030.